And here's the fittings that feed the 15-foot sail. There's two there and two over here. We went with rigid PEX pipe all the way up to the top on both sides because the clear vinyl tubing was kinking up. It was cutting back on how much water we could get up there. This kind of acts as a union. This unthreads. There's a rubber seal in here. This is a 3/4 inch PVC slip connector, so I'm giving you those fittings. You can glue them to your pipe. Then you can turn these nuts and always take this off. And here's the top. These rubber tubes with the hose clamps act as our union joint. There's no room in here for an actual union, so this is the way we're making this come apart to take the upper rail off. And here's the 10-foot sail with the copper on it. There's no clear coat on it just yet. Here's the underneath side. You can see all the colors in there. We're working on these corner seams right now, so that's tomorrow's project.